Hi, my name is Precious, and I am a former student of ASI. I actually took the 5-day masterclass for Injectors. It was an amazing experience. Every course that I took prepared me for this moment. After taking the course, I was able to shadow some physicians to get better at what I do. After that, yes, I have my own company. I have my own med spa. This is how much you are prepared to go into the world and do great things. I love the experience. I love David. I love Dr. Bing. They did such an amazing job in preparing us to do this. Should you do it? I really think you should. The money is well spent. The experience is for a lifetime. Take the course. Trust me.